Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to be jumping into a website called Coinbase. Yes, it's another Bitcoin currency, cryptocurrencies website platform. And the reason why I chose this today to make a video on because I see a high earning potential on them where you can earn Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies for free. So without further ado, if you guys are into Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies these days, this is another platform that I think everyone should jump into. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, guys, we are now on a website called Coinbase, coinbase.com. If you have not heard of them yet, this is another cryptocurrency Bitcoin platform where you could sell and trade also as well. And they have been around for quite some time now. So if you guys don't have Coinbase yet on your mobile phone, or you have not heard of it yet on your website, coinbase.com is where you can find them and the search bar. And also they are downloadable on your iOS and Android as well on your mobile phone. So the reason why I like this, guys, soon as if you have not created an account yet or have not used the Coinbase platform yet for your cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, this is where you can go get them, or where you can register for them. And I will leave that description also down below if you guys want to sign under me, but if not, that's okay too as well. But just for signing in, guys, into this platform, you get $5 Bitcoin for signing up for free. So this is a cool thing. So this is why I recommend this for any beginners out there who are into or who wants to get into a Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies investment. I would recommend Coinbase is one of the best also platform to join into, or to create an account with. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and sign into my account so I can show you guys some few tricks and trade to where you can earn some free Bitcoins and some free money. So let's go ahead and log myself in. Okay, just to verify who I am, I got the code. So now that we're in, let me move myself right here real quick. One thing I like about this app, guys, is I have not put no money in here so far. And you can see where I'm at right now, 461. This is all this free money. And the reason why this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, because Coinbase has been around for quite some time now, and they have changed some few things on their site and their algorithm. And one of the things that I like that they changed about their platform is their rewards. Okay, guys, this is where you really need to pay attention. So please pay attention to this whole video. You're gonna like what I'm about to show you here. This is another way where you can make money from home or anywhere else. I think this is worldwide. If not, it's in the US. So, but if they are worldwide, I want to show you guys some of the cool features that I love about this website. So Coinbase has been around for so many years. Like I've been saying, I know I don't want to keep repeating myself, but I'm pretty excited about this platform. I just now got back into this platform not too long ago because, for a while they died out. Nobody was really talking about them. But since the pandemic hit, now all of a sudden all the digital Bitcoin cryptocurrency platform website is in effect. So this is one of the great way, guys, where you can make money from home for free. As you can see here on my tab on my left, earn rewards, and I just showed you guys my total, and so far it looks like it's going up. And I have not invested into anything into this app yet. I just went to my earn rewards because they say that you can make some money just by doing simple questionnaires. So as you can see right here, a protocol for indexing blockchain data. It's like a quiz that you can take at the same time. They have 3 of them right here, and it's so unlimited. They keep adding new ones every single day, guys. And let me show you how easy this is. And look, invite a friend and they will receive $10 in Bitcoin. Ain't that crazy? So, and they give you the link right here that you can copy and share, or you can share right here. See this? You can send this to anybody on your Facebook, your WhatsApp app, mobile app, and your Messenger on Facebook. So, which is cool, guys. But let me jump into that a little bit later on down this tutorial of this video. one thing that's really fascinating to me, guys, is that if you click on one of this earn rewards questionnaires, like say, I'm going to click on this, let's earn some free Bitcoin real quick. Now, guys, pay attention. I'm showing you guys some cool things right now. Okay. So basically, the rewards is Coinbase. It kind of give you that mobile app, framework. You take a quiz. All right. You take this quiz and you just go through them real quick. What information is indexed by the graph, quadratic functions, traditional bank data. And this is it, right here. Take a quiz. We're going to go ahead, take a quiz real quick, and look like I already earned this. Oh, okay. So I already earned this. My bad, guys. So this one's has been earned already. And you can watch the video on how all this work. Okay. So I wonder if I took this one already. Okay, there it is, guys. There it is. My bad. So what information is indexed by the graph? Commodity trading, blockchain data. See if that's right. Look, you earn $1. See how simple that is? I had to show you guys that real quick. That's how simple it is to earn with Coinbase. You don't have to go through all this crazy survey, watch these long videos. This is why I like this platform, because this is how quick you can earn some money from Coinbase. Okay, so next lesson. So this one, you have a potential to earn $3 real quick. It doesn't take long, guys. So data on the graph is processed by a decentralized network on computer operates index, and then it gives you more. Okay, when you're ready, once you read through this real quick, some few things you might have to read in the description, but it's not going to take that long, guys. So by delegating GRT can earn rewards and help index to process more data of economy. So let's go ahead, take a quiz. Okay, so what do you earn for delegating GRT to an index set? Okay, so we just went through the descriptions. You can earn some GRT tokens. And let's see if I earn $1. Another $1. Now, just to show proof, let's just do one more real quick. As more data gets added to the graph, how do you determine what data is accurate? Let's go ahead. Create deposit GRT to signal which subgraphs they think are the most useful, has the highest quality. So guys, let's go ahead and earn another $1 real quick. Oh, I got that one wrong. Let's go for signalers. Oop, got that one wrong. This is when you know when you're not reading the stuff. Accessors, curators. Look, I just showed you guys there are some errors when you get the question wrong. But see how they give you those continuous where you make a mistake and they allow you to keep taking them and take them till you get the right answers. So guys, this is definitely for anybody out there who's looking to make money from home. This is one of the best way if you want to earn some quick money online. So now we're just going to go ahead and go back to the reward. Okay. And I'm going to show you what we just made. I'm going to go home real quick and we're going to go to my balance and let's see if that money is in there. Okay, guys, look, 173. Remember, I just showed you earlier I had $4. Now guess how much I have? $7.49. Now guys, that didn't shock you right there. I don't know what else will shock you on how to make money online for free in the simplest and quickest way. Now look, you can do this all day long. Just imagine if you were to calculate $1 for each minute that you just did a quiz on, or for each 30 seconds. Okay, guys, how much would that be? If you were to do $1 for each 60 seconds, how much money will you have in an hour? That's $60. Am I right? Check out your rewards. Join in this platform called Coinbase. I will leave that description down below. You can register for an account and download it also as well inside your mobile app, and where you can constantly take this little simple quiz and make money out of them. All right, guys, like look, earn is to keep adding and adding up to the right here. You can make $2 2 minutes, $2 in 3 minutes, $2 2 minutes, $2 3 minutes. Look, and there's so much of them. Look, earn $9. You can earn $9 right here, right now. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Come on, guys. Now tell me I ain't giving you guys no good value right now. Go ahead and sign under my descriptions down below if you have not registered yet for your own account, or you can just go to the Coinbase. You can go to their website and create your own account, or you sign underneath my referral link below the descriptions of this video and start making money right now, right away. And also, not to mention, remember earlier I said just for signing up through our referrals, you get $10 in Bitcoin on top of that. All of this that you can take a quick quiz on and make more money out of their platform. So guys, in order to get your link, you just click this, you copy it, and you paste it somewhere else. Or you can share your link right here again to some of your social media that you have an account on. So guys, if you like what I just showed you right now, how to make money online for free in the most simplistic ways, please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so I can update you guys every time I upload a new video like this and how to make money online for free at home. So for now, I will see you guys later, and good luck to your journey enjoying Coinbase. Peace.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party.